In a situation where you need to replace a tile, here are the steps to do so. First, using a utility knife, cut around the caulking joint of the tile you want to remove. Then carefully hammer out the broken tile. You will pry the hangers from the bottom up. Be careful not to damage the edges of the surrounding tiles or the building paper. Then using your knife, clean the excess caulking off the edges of the tiles. To prep the replacement tile, cut off the bottoms of the hangers. You might need to trim the top hangers back to get them to fit, but do not remove them. Then slide the top hangers behind the upper tiles and push the bottom into place. Re-caulk the joints and sand. Replacing moldings are done in a similar fashion.